everyone, so Everglow just released a new music video called Dun Dun, and I'm going to do Yiren's makeup, so this will be an inspired look, so I hope you guys enjoy. So we will be focusing mainly on the eyes and also the lip area. So the first palette I will be using is Colourpop California Love palette, applying this orangey brown shade on the crease area with a fluffy brush with the window wiping motion, taking your time with it because you want it all blended. Next is this purple beautiful shade, applying this on the outer part of the eye, making a V shape on the outer part of the eye as well because you want to drag it out and apply this on the lower half of the lash line too. Then going back to the California Love palette, applying the orange shade with a flat brush, applying this on the inner part of the eyes, also applying on the outer part of the inner part of the eyes and dragging onto the upper crease area because you want this orange to be obvious at the end of this eye look, and applying this on the inner part of the lower lash line as well. And then using my pinky, going over with this glittery shade, applying this all over the crease area, but making sure you don't go above the crease because you want the orange and purple to be obvious. To finish this look, I'm just going to use this glitter shade, focusing on the lower lash line because you want it to spark out a lot on the lower lash line area. And then I finish off with a natural eyelash and also a brown eyeliner to create that really thin wing at the end. So that's the eye look, and now we're gonna go for the lip area, which is just a very nice natural tint by Sugar Jelly, and this is from the Petit Para collection, which is a beautiful pink glowy shade. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick makeup inspired, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.